Hey, y'all know I like Chinese food, and you know I like breakfast. So we've got some stuff out in my refrigerator. We fix to combine it all together. Y'all, today I'm making breakfast fried rice. You know it's gonna be good.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
We figured get the sausage cooking on here. Let me dump a little bit of oil on here. This sausage I'm using right here, that's Jimmy Dean. Jimmy meat, it's just good. I've been eating it all my life. We're gonna cut this open, throw it down, and get it cooking. Y'all watch this. Ooh. Well, what we're doing right here, you can pretty much get whatever you got in your refrigerator and make something out of it, you know? So that's all we're doing right here. Just get the stuff you like, you know? Next thing we're gonna do is get this rice and throw it down. Now I could cook my own rice, but sometimes I like to do it this way. We're gonna throw that down right here. This is simple, simple, simple. Y'all know me, I'm simple. I like cooking rice like this because it's fast and simple. Sometimes you don't have time to cook it. And but watch this, y'all. See, all you do is this. I'm gonna level it, get it over here a little bit. Y'all watch this. Woo. We'll get some of this wet stuff we call water. We're gonna steam it. Look at all the steam. Ooh, yeah. Now we're gonna put this dome on here. Set it, let it go. We're gonna turn this over some. This sausage is gonna need a few more minutes. We're gonna leave it here. We'll be back in just a minute. Yo, this sausage is just about ready. We're fixing to throw some tomatoes down. I'm not really a tomato guy, but every once in a while you gotta switch things up. We got these little bitty tomatoes. We're gonna put them over here. We're not gonna really cook these down too much. We're gonna let them kind of blister up a little bit. You'll see. I love breakfast. Breakfast is something, I dump them all, what the heck. Breakfast is something I grew up with every day with my grandmothers, both of them. Because one lived right next door and one lived down the road. So I would go to breakfast at both of them's house every day just to find out what's going on. So I knew who I was gonna hang with that day. Okay, old sausage is about cooked up. We're gonna cut it off. We'll cut this down kind of low on these tomatoes. So we don't really cook these tomatoes too much. We just kind of blister them up a little bit. All right, y'all, we're going to check this rice out. Probably gonna have to add a few more little things. A little more water. This is looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna add a little soy sauce. Yeah, we're using the low sodium stuff today. But hey, I love that on rice. It just gives your rice a little flavor, you know. Get this cover. See if we can get our eggs going. All right. Y'all hang out right there. I mean, every good breakfast gotta have an egg. You know that. Watch how we do this. I mean, this is something I love, eggs. I've always ate eggs, love eggs. Something you gotta eat in the morning, I think. All right, we're gonna chop these up a little bit because I want them kind of scrambled. All right, y'all, we need a little salt. Throw a little bit of this on in, not a lot, just a little bit. Now a little bit of this old black pepper, that's the good stuff. Y'all watch this. Turn it over to the other side. Give it a little chop. Now, ooh, we fix to mix it all together. Y'all watch this. Get over here. I like to mix my meat and my sausage and eggs together first. Then start incorporating the tomatoes a few at a time. You don't want to really smash your tomatoes up. You just want them cooked down a little blistered, you know. Ain't that pretty? All right, y'all, now we're gonna add a little sesame oil. You don't want to put too much of this on here because this is pretty strong. I like to put it on the outside a little bit and then work it in. We're gonna add some of this bacon and some sesame seed. Now you can put this straight on it. Maybe a little more, what do you think? All right, now we need some sesame seeds. Look at there, little bitty thing. Every fried rice needs that, sesame seed. I like them. We're gonna give it a spin. That's pretty, ain't it? We about got it. About time to plate this up, y'all. Got my handy dandy scooper. Watch this. Ooh. Y'all, this will feed a lot of people. You see it don't take long. It don't take long at all to cook this. Oh, y'all. We got one more little thing to do here. Watch this. First thing I'm gonna do is cut this off. Oh, cause we're gonna plant this. While I was growing up, my grandma had a, what they call number 3 foot tub. And she kept it on the back porch. And she always had these onions, green onions in there. Y'all didn't know I had it in me, did you? The best thing about cooking is eating. And we fixing to do it right now. Here we go. I'm gonna get some over here. We got a little sausage, little onions, a little egg. Y'all, this is something I just kind of threw together. This is something I had in the refrigerator. Threw it on here. What do y'all think? I think it tastes super good. What would you put in your breakfast fried rice? Leave it in the comments below. Y'all, we gonna eat.
Tonight you're cooking with the